Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the Google Docs file you'll work in. This locates features and context so you don't hunt later. Once done, make sure your browser allows pop-ups and mic/camera if you'll use voice features. Those permissions unlock tools like voice typing. Next, confirm the toolbar is visible and switch to the correct account if necessary. That avoids missing add-ons tied to another account. Now you're ready to find the actual tools. You should now scan the top menu bar. Tools, Insert, and Format contain most built-in functions like voice typing, citations, and equation. Once found, open extensions to manage or install add-ons that extend functionality. Install only trusted add-ons. If you prefer quick access, press Ctrl+/ to search menus, or click Explore at the bottom right to surface research and image tools. By combining menu navigation, extensions, and search, you'll reach both simple and advanced tools efficiently. Now use the chosen tool and customize access. Pin features or install an add-on that creates a custom menu for repeat tasks so you save time. If a tool won't appear, restart your browser and temporarily disable third-party extensions that might conflict, because conflicts commonly hide Docs features. Also verify you're in the correct Google account and that document-level permissions allow the operation. If a tool is grayed out, permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.